Welcome to the Roam Tech channel. If you enjoy our content, be sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. eSIMs are revolutionizing how we connect our devices, offering a seamless and convenient alternative to traditional physical SIM cards. But what exactly is an eSIM, and how does it differ from the SIM card you're likely used to? Let's delve into the details and explore the advantages and disadvantages of this cutting-edge technology. An eSIM, short for embedded SIM, is a small chip permanently embedded within your device. Unlike a physical SIM, which needs to be physically swapped, an eSIM allows you to activate a cellular plan digitally, directly from your device's settings. This eliminates the need for visiting a store, waiting for a physical card to arrive in the mail, or fumbling with those tiny SIM ejector tools. This digital flexibility unlocks a world of possibilities. Imagine traveling internationally and effortlessly switching between local carriers to get the best rates. With an eSIM, that's a reality. No more searching for airport kiosks or dealing with prepaid SIM cards. Simply select a plan from your device and connect instantly. eSIM technology also simplifies the process of switching carriers. Instead of physically swapping SIMs, you can switch providers with just a few taps on your screen. This streamlines the process and empowers consumers to choose the best plans that fit their needs. Beyond smartphones, eSIMs are finding their way into a growing range of devices. From smartwatches and tablets to laptops and even some cars, the ability to connect without a physical SIM is transforming how we interact with our technology. This expanded connectivity allows for seamless integration across devices, creating a more cohesive and convenient user experience. However, it's important to acknowledge that eSIMs aren't without their drawbacks. Device compatibility is a key consideration. Not all devices support eSIM technology, so it's crucial to check your device's specifications before making the switch. Additionally, while the process of switching carriers is simplified, it still relies on carrier support for eSIM provisioning. Ensure your chosen carrier supports eSIM functionality for your specific device. Finally, troubleshooting connectivity issues with an eSIM can sometimes be more complex than with a traditional SIM. Since the eSIM is embedded, you can't simply remove and reinsert it to try and resolve a problem. This can sometimes require more in-depth troubleshooting steps. Overall, eSIM technology represents a significant step forward in mobile connectivity. Its convenience, flexibility, and growing adoption across devices make it a compelling alternative to traditional SIM cards. While there are some limitations to consider, the advantages of eSIMs are undeniable, paving the way for a more connected and streamlined mobile experience. What are your thoughts on eSIMs? Share your experiences and opinions in the comments below.